Welcome to the iC7-Automation from Danfoss, your portal to open up a new dimension. With the iC7-Automation, you have the power to secure the highest performing applications in the oil and gas industry. Highly versatile and scalable, the iC7-Automation brings a new dimension of power density, freeing up space and reducing operating expenses even in tough environments. A new dimension of motor control, optimizing performance of any demanding application, from upstream to downstream. And a new dimension of intelligence. The iC7-Automation is the new standard in drives, where open, connected, and intelligent systems are the new reality. With the iC7-Automation, it's time to open up a new dimension.